Hello.
Oh,
Hi. Hi, Alex. Welcome to Listen and Speak. How are you?
I'm happy.
Oh, you're happy. So last week you had your vacation. Okay, 1 week vacation, and that's nice. Did you do something last week? What
What?
did you do? What did you do on your vacation?
Um,
Did you go
vacation?
somewhere? Yeah, last week. You don't have classes. What did you do? No school. It's for Thanksgiving, right?
Mm,
What did you do?
mm,
Did you go
in
somewhere?
Jeju Island.
Okay, say I went to
I went to
where? I went to Jeju Island.
I went to Jeju Island.
Okay, that is amazing. Are you ready for our class tonight?
Yeah.
Okay, let me share your book. So this will be our lesson for tonight. I think we're done with some of this last time. Like this one, we tried this. Now we will have this one together. Okay? We will
Yeah.
have a review. Okay?
Yeah.
Oh no, I think we're done with this. Let me just check for a second, okay?
Yeah.
Um, oh, not yet. We're not done with this. So we will do this together, okay? So we will try this. Let's do this together. So we will talk about who is older, who is younger, and who is taller or shorter. Okay?
Yeah.
So let's start. I have a question for you. Who's older, Dave or Ken? So let's look at Dave. Dave and Ken. Who is older? Look, who is older, Dave or Ken?
They is older.
Dave is older. Very good. Now next, I have another question for you, okay?
Yeah.
Number two, we will talk about who is younger. Okay?
Yeah.
Who is younger? Is it Nora or Tina? Who is younger?
No.
Nora or Tina? Who is
So,
younger?
Nora is young.
Oh no, look. No, look. The age of
But
Nora is longer than Tina.
mine is Tina is
Tina.
young.
Tina is younger. Can you say it?
Tina is younger.
Tina is younger. Very good. How about here? Can you please help me? Can you try number three? We will look which one or who's taller, okay?
Yeah.
Is it Ken or Nora? Who is taller? Look, who is taller? Ken or Nora?
No. Ken is
Very good. How do you say it? Ken
Nora.
is nice one.
He's not what then.
Okay. Can you say Ken is taller?
Ken is horror.
Okay. How about we try this? I need your help, okay? We will look for who is shorter. I have a question for you. Who is shorter, Dave or Tina?
Tina is
Shorter?
Taller.
No, we're
Taller.
looking for shorter, not taller. Who
Ah,
is
Tina
shorter?
is taller.
Tina is shorter?
Yes.
No, look, Tina has longer bar here. Look at Dave's bar. It's very short.
Tina, no. Tina, no.
So who is
Babel,
shorter?
Babel,
How do
Babel.
you say it? How do you say it in a sentence? Dave is
Baby is
what?
taller.
Shorter. Very good.
Yes, baby.
Dave is shorter. How about number 5? Let's look at number 5. Who is stronger? So we will look at this one. I need your help. You need to tell me who is stronger, Dave or Nora?
Nora is stronger.
Very good. Nora is stronger. How about number 6? Can you help me? You will look at Tina and Ken. Oh no. So we will look at Tina and Ken. Who is weaker? Tina or Ken? Who is weaker?
Tina, Tina is weaker.
Very good. Nice one. Tina is weaker. Great work. Great work. You did so nice. How about here? I need your help. Okay?
Yeah.
I need your help here. So you need to tell me which one. Okay?
Yes.
Which one is dirtier, prettier, or bigger? Okay? So let's
Yes.
start with this one. Number 1. Look at the swim tube.
Swim too.
Okay, so how do you make sentences using this word? So you can say,
The red swim tube is bigger than the blue one.
okay, very good. How about this question? Which is smaller? The red tube or the blue tube?
Big.
I'm asking you, which is smaller? The red or the blue? Smaller.
Red.
Smaller?
More blue.
Okay, how do you say that in a sentence? You say, the blue swim tube
Blue swim tube
is smaller
is
than the red one.
smaller than red one.
Can you read this sentence, please? I need your help.
The blue swim tube is smaller than the red one.
Okay, now let's talk about the towels. Okay?
Mm.
We will talk about the towels now. Look at the towels here. We have the gray towel and the white towel. Which is cleaner? Which one is cleaner? The white towel or the gray towel?
Right down.
Okay, how do you say that? The white towel
The right down
is cleaner
is cleaner
than the gray one.
than the green one.
Okay, so I want you to read this sentence. Okay?
Mm.
Can you please help me read this sentence, please?
The with
White, not wet.
towel, the with
The white.
white towel, the white towel is cleaner than the gray one.
Okay, that is amazing. The white towel is cleaner than the gray one. It is nice. How about here? I need your help, okay?
Mm.
Let's try this one together. How about here? We will talk about which one is dirtier. Okay? Which one
Mm,
is dirtier? The white
Pretty
towel or the gray towel?
on the right arm.
Oh, dirtier? Dirty? Which one is dirty? Dirtier? The
Pretty.
gray or the white towel?
The gray is a
Oh,
light
okay.
tone.
Which one is dirtier? The gray or the white towel?
The gray neon right arm.
I'm asking you. I'm asking Alex. Alex, which is the dirtier towel? The gray towel or the white towel?
The gray arm.
Okay, so how do you say that? We say the gray
The
towel
gray
is
towel is
dirtier.
dirty.
Dirtier than the white one. I want you to help me
White
read
one.
this. Can you please read this sentence for me? I need your help.
The gray begins from the white one.
One more time, please.
The gray tower is
Dirtier
dirtier with one.
than
That's the with one.
white, not wheat, white,
White one.
white.
White
Okay.
one.
So we're done with that. Now we'll go to the last one. Okay, we have the swimsuits. We have a pretty swimsuit and an ugly swimsuit. Now I will ask you, which one is the prettier swimsuit? The orange or the gray?
Is
Which one is prettier? Alex, which one is prettier? The orange or the gray?
gray.
It's the orange. It's
Is
pretty. So we can say the orange
the
swimsuit
orange with
is prettier
is prettier
than the gray one. Can
than
you
the
read
gray one.
this? Read the sentence.
The orange shirt is pretty.
Prettier.
The gray one.
How do you read this, please?
Prettier.
Very good. Now I will ask you which one is the uglier swimsuit. The orange or the gray?
The gray.
The gray. So how do we say that? The gray
The
swimsuit
gray
is
is
uglier
ugly.
than the orange one or the orange one.
The orange one.
Okay, very nice. Can you please help me with this one? Can you read this sentence, Alex?
Yes. The gray shirt is ugly. The orange one.
Okay, you did it. That is correct. Thank you very much, Alex. Now let's look here, okay?
Yes.
I need your help. Can you please help me? Which towel is cleaner? The white or the
Mm,
pink? Which one is cleaner, Alex? The white towel or the pink?
a lighter.
How do you say that?
The light arrow is cleaner. The pink.
Then the pink one.
Mm,
Okay. How about here? I will ask you which towel is dirtier? Dirtier. The pink or the white
Dirty.
towel?
Pink or light arrow.
I'm asking you which one is the dirtier? dirty towel? The white or
Third
the pink?
time. The pink.
White or pink? Which one is dirtier?
Pink.
Okay,
Pink.
so how do we say that in a sentence? We say
So
the
we
pink
say the
towel
pink
is
towel is
dirtier
dirtier
than the
than the
white one.
white one.
Okay, can you please read this sentence for me? Let's read this, please.
The pink tire is thinner than the white what one.
White one. White.
White. White.
Okay. So now let's go to the swimsuit. Okay?
And
So what do you think? Which swimsuit is prettier? The blue swimsuit or the red swimsuit?
the blue swim
Okay, so we say the blue swimsuit
the blue
is
swimsuit
prettier
is prettier
than the red one.
than the red one.
Okay, can you read the sentence, please?
The blue swimsuit is prettier than the red one.
Okay, very good. Now, we will talk about which is uglier. Okay? Which one is
And
uglier? The blue or the red swimsuit?
yeah,
Which one is uglier? The blue or the red swimsuit?
mm, the red swimsuit.
Very good. So we can say the red suit
The red suit
is uglier
is uglier
than the blue one.
than the blue one.
Okay. Can you please read this sentence?
Um, the red swimsuit is ugly. The
Uglier. Uglier.
uglier the blue one.
Okay, okay. That's nice. How about here? Can you try this? Let's talk about the swim tube. Okay?
Mm,
So
mm,
we will talk about the swim tube. We have the yellow swim tube. Look here. We have the
yeah,
yellow swim tube and the green swim
mm,
tube.
green,
Okay, we have the yellow
yellow
swim tube
swim,
and the green swim tube. So I will ask you, which swim tube is bigger? The yellow or the green?
the yellow.
Very good. So we will say it in a sentence, okay? We say the yellow swim tube is bigger than the green one. Can you please read
The
this?
yellow swimsuit is bigger than the green one.
Very good. Nice one. Now we will talk about which one is smaller, Alex. Which swim tube is smaller? The yellow or the
Mm,
green one?
Uh,
Which
green.
one is smaller? Very good. Green. So how do we say that in a sentence? We can say the green
The
swim
green
tube is
swimsuit
smaller
smaller
than the yellow
than the
one.
yellow eye.
Okay, now it's your time to read.
The green swimsuit is smaller than the yellow one.
Very good. That's nice. How about we try this together, okay?
Yeah.
I want you to try this. Oh, look. Oh, so we will name these things, okay?
Yeah.
So, can you please Let's try this one. What do you call this one? What's this? Alex, what's this?
Oh,
It's a towel.
purple
Okay, it's a purple towel. Can you say it? A
is
purple
a
towel.
purple tower.
Very good. How about this one? What's this? What is this? Alex, what is this?
But
What is this?
a snake tube.
Okay, so we can say the swim tube is a snake.
The swim tube is snake.
Is a snake.
Is a snake.
How about this one? Look at the swimsuit. Is it a pretty swimsuit?
No,
Can you say it's an ugly swimsuit?
is an ugly swim.
Very good. It's an ugly
Ugly,
swimsuit. Now we will
ugly,
go here,
ugly.
okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's read this short story together. I need your help. So
Mm,
I will be the son and you
the
are the dad. Okay?
yeah.
You're the dad. What are you doing, Dad?
Hey, Tom.
Hey, Tim.
I hate him. I found a good
Vacation
vacation place for youth
for us. Us.
for us.
Again, one more time.
Hey, Tim. I found I
Found.
found a good vacation place for youth.
Again, what's this?
Youth.
No, us.
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 I want you to read it again until you get the word. Hey, Tim.
Hey, Tim. I went to good basketball play for us.
Very good. Tell me about them.
ABC
Hotel.
Hilton Potter is swimmer,
Smaller.
but small. But the beach is close,
Closer.
closer.
How about the other one?
In the sunny hotel is bigger, but is far from the beach.
I want to go to the beach every day.
Okay, we are going to ABC Hotel.
Yay! I'll borrow a swim tube from me. Your swim tube is bigger than mine. So when are we going there?
Oh, something,
Someday.
something.
Okay, you did nice. That is an amazing job, Alex. Now it's time to answer questions about the story, okay? Number one, can you please help me complete this sentence?
ABC Hut is eager the sunny hotter be lower to the beach.
Okay, so what's your answer? Oh, it should be this one. Letter A should be smaller than here, closer. I want you to read number one with the correct answers.
ABC Hotel is mooring the sunny weather, but closer to the beach,
Mm-hmm. How about number two? Which is
which is sunny hotel. Seems
Sunny Hotel? Is it
seems
A
seems
or B? Where is
um,
Sunny Hotel? A or B?
B.
Oh, Sunny Hotel is A. This is ABC Hotel.
Yes.
This is Sunny Hotel. Okay. So how about number three? Can you help me with number three?
Mm,
Sims,
mm,
swim to.
Listen to
I'm waiting for your answer. Number three.
what?
Number
Oh,
three.
ABC
Number three.
A, ABC Hopper
Number
is
three.
mowing the
Number three.
uh,
Can you answer number three?
uh,
Can you read number three? Oh, it should be smaller.
uh,
Can you please read number three now?
uh,
Let's read number three.
oh, what?
Hello?
Sure. Uh,
Hello?
uh, Picture is no.
Oh, let me share the book again. Okay?
Yes,
Can you see your book now?
yes.
Number three. Let's answer number three. Can you read number three, please?
James swim top is smaller. The wings swim too.
Okay. Thank you very much, Alex. We're almost done for tonight, but before we go, we have some sentences to read. I will read it first. Okay?
Yes, yes.
Teacher Anna first. Thor thinks thick thread is better than thin thread. Your turn.
Oh, think here
Thread,
is
thread,
water. Bread is water. This thin,
then,
then thin,
thread,
they, thread,
thread.
thread,
Very good. Let's practice this word again. Thread.
bread,
How do you read this?
bread is,
Very good.
bread
Thread,
is,
thread. How about number two? Listen to teacher Anna. Where is the white whale? Whispered Whitney.
there is the white whale, with pit, reedy,
Whispered.
with bird, witty.
Very good. Nice try. You did your best here. This is a nice work of Alex. So that's it for tonight. We're already done. So I want to show you what will be our next lesson. We'll do this, a review, and then we'll read a very short
Yes,
story. Okay?
yes,
Okay, so that's it for tonight. Thank you very much, Alex. Let's see each other again next meeting. Goodbye and have a great night. Bye bye.
yes.
Goodbye.